Hello! If you're looking for a beautiful updo that's easy to recreate, you're in the right place. For a softer look, place your thumbs in front of your ears and trace upwards to the crown, gathering the top section. This creates that soft swoop detail. Then scoop all your remaining hair and secure into a high ponytail. Next, divide your ponytail into two sections, left and right. Then twist the left section away from your face clockwise until fully twisted. Then gently pull on it to create volume and a more undone look. Now loosely wrap it clockwise around your ponytail until only a few inches of ends remain. Quick tip for securing: slide your pin in at an angle, pressing the tips against your head, flip, and secure towards the center. Now repeat with the right section, twisting counterclockwise, pulling for volume, and wrapping it in the opposite direction. Now I stopped on the left so that both ends hang symmetrically, and I also twisted my ends tighter to shorten them and then secured them underneath. Make any final adjustments and add a few extra pins for holds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.